40 pounds, blonde hair, blue eyes, and Aiden Langford, white, male, 4 months old, height 2 feet 6 inches, weight 25 pounds, blonde hair, blue eyes, last seen wearing unknown clothing. Police are looking for Tiffany Weaver, 31 years old, white, female, height 5 feet 7 inches, weight 135 pounds, blonde hair, hazel eyes, and Aaron Langford, 29 years old, white, male, height 6 feet 02 inches, weight 169 pounds, red hair, green eyes, last seen wearing unknown clothing, in connection with their abduction. The suspects are driving a white 2005 Chrysler van bearing Texas license plate number BP9D603. The suspects were last seen in Silsbee, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Hardin County Sheriff's Office at 409-246-5101. News media point of contact is Hardin County Sheriff's Office at 409-246-5273.
San Antonio, serving students in grades K through 12.